So far we've seen that if y is a sum of two parts, if y is a sum of two parts here, and you want to find out dy by dx, you can just simply differentiate this, which will give you this, and then differentiate this, which will give you this. And then you can just simply add these two together. Dy by dx is you adding these two together. And we've actually proved that you're allowed to just simply add the two together. And we've proved that. So now we're going to move on to the product rule. So now if you have two, so if y, so earlier it was y equals one part plus another part. Now we're going to move on to a product rule where you have y equals one part multiply with another part. So here to differentiate this, at the moment you've got this block here multiplying with this block here. So the product rule, which I'm just going to introduce and then give you some examples, get you to do some practice, and then we will try and prove why it's the case that you're allowed to do this. So so now the product rule is if you have something where one thing is multiplying another thing here, then to work out so looking at this here, if you want to differentiate uv here, so you can imagine this block as being u and this block as being v. So looking at this here, this is like you saying you want to differentiate one block multiplying with another block. So this u here is this block here, and this v here is this block here. So what this is saying is that if you want to differentiate two things multiplying together, which is the case here, this block multiplying with this block here, if you want to differentiate this whole thing here, then simply keep the u the same. So this block is u, this block v is this block is v. If you want to differentiate this thing here, then keep u the same and then differentiate the v. Okay, and then you add it to v being the same. So now you keep this the same and then you differentiate the u. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to give you some examples, get you to do some practice, and then we will try and prove why this is the case here. But for the time being, just learn how it's done. Okay, so so at the moment we've got this block at the moment. Hang on. At the moment, this block here is u, and this block here is v. So now, if you want to find out dy by dx, so it's u differentiating the y, then looking at this here, keep u the same. So keep u the same. So that's this block here. Keep u the same. So so that will be, hang on, that will be 3. So we are keeping u the same here, plus 5, and then concentrate on differentiating the v. So now so looking at this here, it's actually u times u differentiating this. So we've got to differentiate the v now. So so hang on, sorry. So this here is u, keep u the same, and then differentiate the v. Okay, so this one here will be we're going to differentiate the v now. So differentiate the v, which is this block here, So that will be 15x squared plus 7. Okay, yeah. So this is u here, which is this bit here, and this is us differentiating the v. Okay, that's us differentiating the v. Now so this block has been taken care of. We now need to do this. So to do this here, keep v the same and then differentiate the u. So hang on. So this will be plus, okay, plus hang on, plus now keep v the same. So that's us keeping this this v here the same. So so keep v the same, which is 5x to the power 3 plus 7x. Okay, so we are keeping the v the same. We are keeping v the same, and now we've got to do this bit here, differentiate the u. So this here is a u, differentiate it. So it will be 6 x, and then when you differentiate the 5, it will be nothing. So it's basically that. Okay, so dy by dx would be this. Would be it will be this. Hang on, let me think. It will be simply be yeah. Well, then you can tidy this thing up. Okay, you can then tidy that thing up. So I guess you could multiply it out, but I'm just going to leave it as this. Hang on, 15x squared plus 7, and then here multiply this out. So that will be plus, hang on, plus 30x to the power of 4, and then now this times this here, which will be plus 42x squared. And then you could, if you wanted to, multiply this out, do this, and then this times this, and then this times this. You could do that, but we're just going to leave it as this. Okay. And well, yeah, yes, you could. Hang on. Yes, you could do this. Another way of doing it is, yes, you could multiply this out first, and then this times this, and then this times this, and then differentiate it, each part individually. Yes, you could do that, but just learn for the time being. This rule here is very useful for later on when things get complicated. In this case, it might be easier just to multiply everything out first and then differentiate it individually. But for the time being, just learn the product rule, because the product rule has its advantages later on. Okay.